Okay, so here I am on my crypto.com. I'm allowed to buy only 35 million Dogelon each day. Isn't that ridiculous? And so today it's way down. Let's see what it is. Look, it's at 14.6 or something. Oh, I missed the low. I missed the super low here today, but it's here. So I go to buy Elon, and it shows the amount I'm allowed to buy. I go here, and let's see if I put, I don't know, 40, 50. Okay, so I can buy 40,000, it looks like. Okay, no, see the bar is not blue here. It won't let me click it, so I have to get less. Let's see if I can buy that much. The max you can get is 35 million. There it is. See, the bar is blue. That's $5. Wait, add another zero. 52.20. Buy it. No, I don't want it from there. I'm going to use it from my fiat wallet. Let's see here. Let's go to my fiat wallet. I just sold some. Here's my fiat wallet right here. $51. Okay, there it is. I have total $51. I go to buy crypto. And then I go to Dogelon Mars right here. And then, see, at $7 I can buy 5 million. But I want this, the max. See the max right here? 34,506. Click that. That's the max I can get. Buy it. Oh, it says that it needs to be at 10,000 multiples. Let's try again. So let's go buy crypto. Dogelon. I'm going to get that max amount. Oh, I don't think I have enough, though. I only have for 34 million. So let's do 34. It won't let me do those odd numbers. So 34 million. There it is. $50. I have enough money. Buy 34 million. There it is. $50. Confirm. There it is. I purchased it. Okay. So I left $75 in my fiat wallet. So now my Dogelon, I have 427 million. I don't even know my average price. It won't even tell you. It's sub-zero. But you can only get 35 million a day, so get it every day. I think you can only sell that much a day too, but Elon seems pretty awesome, and Shiba is the other one to get right now. Have a good one.